Hi, my name's Claire Ottman, and I'm a second-year medical student here at UK College of Medicine Bowling Green campus. I decided to join the UK College of Medicine Bowling Green campus because it had all the amenities to offer that a big city had, while still being a close-knit community.
I wanted a location that I felt like I could really interact with staff, and they were always eager and willing to help me out if I had anything come up.
It's a small-knit, close community. It's like a family, and that's something that I think it just made me so comfortable right from the start.
I feel that healthcare is deeply local, and I really liked working in a small hospital setting. But there is a lot that comes with a large research institution. The UK College of Medicine Bowling Green campus, for me, was the best of both worlds. It really brought in that local feel with the big research institution name.
From day one of when I started my first year, that we went ahead and started having clinical experiences. So we went ahead to start seeing our standardized patients, which I feel like in the future is going to be tremendous, especially in third year and fourth year when we're seeing our real patients.
Just with the way that technology has advanced, there's a lot of virtual learning, and we've been doing that all along to some extent. And so I've never felt at any point that we had any barriers in our instruction.
I've always had a strong passion in connecting with people and really getting to know them, and I think that the UK College of Medicine does a really good job in enhancing those skills and kind of refining them down into ways that we can use them to best improve our medical practice.
So what am I looking forward to most in becoming a doctor? It's getting to be a member of my community and knowing people on a level that is much deeper than I would otherwise be able to contribute back to people, get to know their families, and to be a part of their lives in a meaningful way.
So I am excited about what I've learned here at the UK College of Medicine Bowling Green campus because eventually I want to work in Kentucky, and so being able to practice and help the community that I've lived in and been a part of my whole life is ideally what I want to take from this experience here and what I've learned from the UK College of Medicine.